kitty. What's a kitty say?
Meow.
Yeah.
Mickey, meow. Meow.
That's what a big kitty says.
A big kitty?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. What else do you see? What else is in your book?
Oh, baby.
A baby.
Oh, 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 that. A cat.
What is all of that?
A cat. Cookies.
Mhm.
Milk.
Mhm.
Pizza.
Uh-huh.
Pea.
Uh-huh.
Carrots.
Let me see.
Carrots.
Carrots. Very good.
Ma.
Let me see that one. What is it?
Ma.
Tomato.
Ma.
Tomato.
Ma.
Tomato.
Ma.
Tomato.
Ma.
Tomato.
Ma.
Tomato.
Milk.
Milk.
Cookies.
Cookies.
Pizza.
And pizza.
And cheese.
And cheese.
Cheese.
Yeah.
And
Those are,
the cheese.
no, those are noodles. Pasta.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you see a potato? Over here. Or broccoli.
Lamb.
You weirdo.
Lamb. Apple. Apple.
You see an apple?
An apple.
Yeah.
The eyes are fine.
Mm-hmm.
The kitchen.
There's apples in the kitchen, yeah. You talk a lot.
The kitchen.
You can say a lot of things. What else do you see?
That is.
Yeah, that's an apple.
About our kitchen.
What's that?
About orange.
Orange. It's an orange.
Orange ball.
It's not a ball, it's a fruit. It looks like a ball. It's a circle. Like a ball. Do you see a banana?
Little banana.
Yeah. He's smart.
What's that?
That's an orange.
Sheep.
Sheep.
Duck.
Duck.
Ma.
What's a duck say?
Quack quack.
Yeah.
Train.
What's a train sound like? Yeah.